Welcome. If you're joining us for the first time, please hit that subscribe button and make sure to turn on the notifications. Imagine a world where you never have to worry about bills, where you're not living paycheck to paycheck, where financial freedom isn't just a dream, but a reality. It's a world that exists, and it's closer than you think. In today's video, we're diving into a treasure map of sorts, 10 solid ways to increase your financial IQ. We'll show you how these strategies can be your stepping stones toward creating wealth and prosperity. So, strap in, it's going to be one hell of a ride. Number 1, Financial Books. Alright, number 1, dive headfirst into the world of financial books. Now, I'm not suggesting that you bury your nose in financial textbooks that would bore even an accountant. No, I'm talking about those gems of wisdom, written by financial gurus who've walked the walk and are ready to talk the talk. Books like Rich Dad Poor Dad, where Robert Kiyosaki unpacks the secrets of wealth generation, or The Richest Man in Babylon gives timeless lessons about money in an easy-to-understand, almost story-like format. And if you want to really dive deep, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham is like the Bible for stock market investing. See, these books aren't just about finance, they're about shaping your money mindset, about understanding that wealth is less about earning big and more about managing well. So, switch off that Netflix tonight, pick up one of these books, and give it a read. Number 2, use financial management tools. Get friendly with financial management tools. You have a smartphone, right? Of course you do, it's 2023, who doesn't? But are you using that little device to its full potential? Applications like Mint, Inab, or Personal Capital aren't just fancy pieces of code. They're your financial allies, helping you track every dollar that comes in or goes out, helping you understand where your money's going. You know, that pesky end of the month, where did my salary go mystery that we all face. By tracking your finances, you can visually see your spending habits. Maybe that daily coffee is costing you more than you think, or maybe, just maybe, you could do without that extra pair of shoes. These insights are game changers, enabling you to make better money decisions. Remember, you can't manage what you can't measure. Number 3, follow financial news. Let's move to way number 3, something that's as easy as scrolling through Instagram, following financial news. You might think that CNBC or Bloomberg is just for the Wall Street guys in their sharp suits. Nope, it's for you and me, the everyday folks who want to take control of their financial destiny. By tuning into the financial world, you're keeping your finger on the pulse of the economy, understanding market trends, and learning how global events can affect your wallet. Ever heard of a butterfly flapping its wings in Brazil causing a tornado in Texas? Well, in the financial world, an election in one country can affect stock prices halfway across the globe. Subscribe to financial newsletters, listen to podcasts during your commute, watch financial news while sipping your morning coffee. You'll be amazed at how this habit can start conversations, improve your decision-making skills, and generally make you sound really smart at parties. Number 4, take financial courses. And now, my friends, way number 4, take financial courses. No, don't worry, I'm not asking you to go back to school, cram for exams, and deal with terrifying professors. The world has come a long way since then. Think of platforms like Coursera or Khan Academy. They're like this treasure trove of knowledge, offering a smorgasbord of courses about personal finance, investing, economics, and so much more. And the best part? You can learn at your own pace, in your pajamas, while eating pizza. Whether you're a newbie starting from scratch or someone who already knows their way around finance, there's always something new to learn. And every nugget of knowledge you gain is a step towards building wealth. Remember, in the financial world, knowledge isn't just power, it's profit. Number 5, learn to budget. Alright, moving on to way number 5, something that might make you roll your eyes, learn to budget. Yes, budgeting, that annoying adulting chore that seems as exciting as watching paint dry. But hear me out. You know that feeling of looking at your bank balance towards the end of the month and wondering where all your money disappeared to? Or the slight heart attack you get when an unexpected bill shows up? That's what budgeting can help you avoid. Think of budgeting as giving every dollar a job. You're the boss, and your money is your employee. Some dollars might work in the rent department, some in groceries, and others in entertainment. But the key is, every dollar has a purpose. And when every dollar has a purpose, you're less likely to find yourself broke and more likely to find yourself saving more, spending wisely, and reducing debt. Number 6. Invest in stocks. Now, let's talk about way number 6, a bit of a thrilling roller coaster, investing in stocks. The stock market isn't a mystical place reserved for Wall Street wolves or the super rich. It's a playground for anyone who wants their money to work harder. You start small, dipping your toes into the stock investing waters using apps like Robinhood. Buy shares from companies you believe in, companies you think will do well. It's like being part owner of these companies, and as they grow, your investment grows. Over time, as your understanding and confidence build, you can move towards more complex investments. You see, the stock market isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-rich-slow game. But one thing is certain, it's a proven wealth builder over the long term. Remember the golden rule of investing: the earlier you start, the better it is. Number 7. Explore real estate investing. We've arrived at way number 7, a strategy that many of the wealthiest people in the world swear by: real estate investing. Now, don't let those big words intimidate you. We're not talking about becoming a real estate mogul overnight. Real estate investing can begin with something as simple as buying a small rental property. Think about it. You have a tangible asset, it's likely to appreciate over time, and you get a steady stream of income from rent. It's like having a golden goose that lays eggs month after month. Or if you're feeling adventurous, you could try your hand at flipping houses. Buying a fixer-upper, investing in renovations, and then selling it for a profit. It requires work, yes, but the financial rewards can be huge. Real estate is a game changer, a ladder to financial freedom if you're willing to climb it. Number 8. Understand cryptocurrency. Time for way number 8, understand cryptocurrency. Just a decade ago, words like Bitcoin and Ethereum might have sounded like something out of a sci-fi movie. But today, they're as real as the money in your bank account and offer a whole new frontier of wealth creation. Cryptocurrency is exciting, it's revolutionary, and it's reshaping the way we think about money. But, like any investment, it comes with its risks. The value of cryptocurrencies can skyrocket one day and plunge the next. It's not for the faint-hearted. That's why it's crucial to educate yourself, understand what you're investing in, and only invest what you're willing to lose. But remember, every risk carries potential reward, and for those willing to learn and adapt, cryptocurrencies can offer opportunities that traditional investments can't. Number 9. Learn about taxes. Stepping up to way number 9, learn about taxes. Now, I can almost hear your groans. Taxes aren't exactly the most exciting topic. They're complicated, they're confusing, and let's be honest, they're a bit of a pain. But understanding how taxes work can be a powerful weapon in your financial arsenal. It can help you make smarter investment decisions, prevent costly mistakes, and even find ways to legally reduce how much tax you pay. After all, it's not just about how much money you make, but also about how much money you keep. Take advantage of online tools like TurboTax, or better yet, consider consulting with a tax advisor. Remember, in the world of finance, sometimes the devil is in the details, and understanding taxes is definitely one of those detail moments. Number 10. Master the art of negotiation. Finally, we've arrived at way number 10, master the art of negotiation. Whether it's negotiating a higher salary, haggling the price of a used car, or working out terms of an investment deal, being an effective negotiator can save and earn you significant amounts of money. Negotiating doesn't mean being rude or argumentative. It's about communicating effectively, understanding the other person's needs, and finding a win-win solution. It's a skill, and like any skill, it can be learned and improved with practice. Try it out the next time you're buying something at a local market or when you're up for a job review. Not only can it boost your financial IQ, but it can also make you more confident and assertive. Remember, when it comes to money, sometimes you have to ask to receive. And there you have it, folks. 10 powerful strategies to elevate your financial IQ and step into the world of wealth creation. It's not a sprint, but a marathon, and every little step you take gets you closer to the finish line. Remember, it's not just about becoming rich, but about achieving financial freedom, the freedom to live life on your terms. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. We've got plenty more financial wisdom to share with you. Until next time.